Hello and welcome to M.Tech. Today I will show you how to open a PlayStation 3 40 gigs model. It's a second generation Dual Nand with two USB ports, 40 gigs. So let's start with a opening. The first thing you need to do is to remove the warranty sticker and this screw right here. Then just easily remove a cover from the case. Then start to remove all 7 screws from the case. Next step is to remove all cables attached on the motherboard. And then you can easily remove wireless board. Next thing, you will have to remove a power supply unit. Once you do this, you'll be able to remove a Blu-ray drive from the motherboard. And once you do this, you will need to remove all other screws from the motherboard. The next thing we want to remove is these two holders, but be very careful because you can damage a motherboard really easy. These two will hold your CPU and RSX to have contact with heat spreaders. Now you need to remove also this one and this one. Once we do that, we need to remove a hard drive. Once we do that, we can easily remove motherboard from the PlayStation 3 case. The next thing we want to do is to remove a plastic from the back. On the other side we have fan connected. Just make sure you don't damage it. And now we just need to remove this. And the last step is to remove motherboard from the metal case. And that's it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, just feel free to ask, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So thank you and goodbye.